Okay, so most of you most likely know that, but if you have an iPhone or an iPad, but I just have an iPhone, you can actually connect a keyboard to it if you choose to do so. And to demonstrate to you that it works, oops. So you see it's pretty easy just to connect a keyboard to an iPhone and then you can use it. So you might think stereo use, well, it could if you choose to maybe game with a keyboard, that would be possible. Or let's say if you would have an iPad and you would choose to write on your iPad, then it would make sense. The only thing you should know, you need a USB-C, and in my case I need a dongle because that's just an ordinary USB connection. But as you can see, it's pretty easy to connect any keyboard to your iPhone, and then you basically would be good to go. And maybe let's just see. And now we have GarageBand open and we have that piano running, and I'm using a soundbar which is connected via USB, via Bluetooth, so we hear the sound better. And so you see you can connect a lot of stuff to your iPhone via USB-C, and as I showed you before, you can also connect a keyboard at the same time, which is not an issue at all. And you could also connect a mouse or so yeah, just in case you didn't know that it's possible, it is possible.